Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Funny Bunny. Here you can see a rabbit is there, right? A rabbit is sitting under a tree. Something fell on his head. See, like something fell on his head. He got hurt when something fell on his head. What it was nut. But he did not realize, Funny Bunny, it was a nut. So he thought that the sky is going to fall. So he wanted to share this thing to the king. So he wanted to say to the king that the sky is going to fall. So he started walking and walking. He started walking to share this thing to the king. So on the way he met many friends, one by one, and he told all the friends the same thing, that the sky is going to fall, and he's going to the king to share this thing. So all the animals which he met on the way, all those animals also joined him. And lastly, in the end, what happened? They met a fox. Whom did they met on the way? A fox. Even Funny Bunny told the same thing to the fox, that the sky is going to fall and we are going to the king to meet. Actually, Funny Bunny was not knowing where the king was living. He just wanted to share this thing to the king, so he wanted to tell only. And he did not know where the king was living. And looking at those nice animals, that fox felt something. He got some different idea. So he told Funny Bunny, can I know where the fox, he told Funny Bunny and all his friends that I know where the king lives. I'll take you there. So all were ready and all started following him to tell the king. But that was the end of Funny Bunny and all his friends. They were never seen again. And you know what the fox did? Yes, the fox killed all the animals, Funny Bunny and all his friends, and made a super duper dinner of it. And he had it. So this is a story about a funny bunny. Now we will read the story. Okay, children. One day a nut fell on Funny Bunny. Ouch! The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I must tell the king. What happened? One day this Funny Bunny was sitting under a tree and suddenly something fell on his head. It was actually a nut. What it was? It was a nut. But he did not realize. So foolish of him. He did not realize it is a nut. He thought what? The sky is going to fall. The sky is going to fall. So he wanted to share this thing to the king. So on the way, he started his journey to tell this thing to the king. So on the way, he met Henny Penny. See, first friend which he met on the way, Henny Penny. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. Now this thing, who met first to Funny Bunny? Henny and Penny. So he told the same thing to Henny Penny, that the sky is going to fall and I am going to tell the king. Now you can see over here. This is Henny Penny, right? So he's sharing the things with Henny Penny and this is Funny Bunny. So he told, I am going to tell the king. I'll come too, said Henny Penny. Now Henny Penny also got interested and he also got scared. Okay, how is possible the sky is going to fall? Now do you children think sky can fall? Sky is what? Akash we say, right? So do you think the sky is ever going to fall? No. So Funny Bunny did not realize it is really a foolish thing, but he thought that really the sky is going to fall because of the nut which fell on his head. So end of he went to find the king. And off they went to find the king. Soon they, now whom they are meeting on the way, let's see. Soon they met Coxy Poxy. Whom they met? Soon they met this Coxy and Loxy. This is, see, you can see on the way they met Coxy and Loxy. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. Again, the same thing Funny Bunny told to them also, which he told to Henny Penny. He told that the sky is going to fall. I am going to tell the king. What he said, I am going to tell the king. So Coxy Foxy also said, I'll come too, said Coxy Loxy. And Coxy Loxy also went with Funny Bunny to share the thing to the king. Actually, they have not seen the king. Actually, they don't know where is the king living. And then too also they want to share this thing to the king. Now let's see whom they meet on the way. And off they went to find the king. See, and off they went to find the king means they started walking and walking to in search of king. On the way they met Lucy Duxy. See, here you can see. On the way, whom did they meet? They met Lucy Duxy. Lucy and Duxy, they met on the way. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. What Funny Bunny said? The sky is going to fall. I am going to tell the king. Again, Funny Bunny told the same thing to Lucy. Lucy Duxy, ke the sky is going to fall. And I am going to tell the same thing to the king. Now we'll see the next page. I'll come too, said Lucy Duxy. What happened? What he told that ducks? I will also come to tell you. And off they went to find the king. Where did they go? Off they went to find the king. Actually, they don't know where is the king, who is the king, but they go on following Funny Bunny for this foolish thing. On the way, they met Pussy Goosey. On the way, whom did they met? Pussy Goosey. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. Again, who told this thing? Funny Bunny is only telling everyone who meets on the way. Funny Bunny is only telling everyone who meets on the way that the sky is going to fall and I'm going to tell the king. I'll come too, said Pussy Goosey. Now Pussy Goosey also got interested. They also got interested, got scared. It must be true. Let us share this thing to the king. So off they went to find the king. On their way, they met Foxy Foxy. What happened on the way? Whom did they met? They met Foxy and Foxy. The sky is going to fall, they said. We are going to tell the king. What happens? You can see this is Foxy Foxy. And you can see all animals have gathered. And they are still walking and walking and walking to meet the king. They all said, we are going to tell the king. The king lives here, said Foxy Foxy. Now you can see Foxy Foxy how surprised he was looking. See his expression. See, he was looking surprising and his mouth was watering. You can see now his mouth was watering, looking at so many animals together. So what he told to them? Yes, I know where the king lives here. What did he say? The king lives here. He knows the address where the king lives here. So Foxy Foxy told them to follow them. Follow him. And that was the end of Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Coxy Loxy, Lusky Dusky and Pussy Goosey. All the end of all these animals. So what he did, Foxy and Foxy, he killed all these animals and made a dinner for himself. Right? Fox is a very clever animal. Now looking at such a nice animals which have come to himself only directly. So he got some idea and he planned something different. And what he did, he killed all of them. And they never ever got a chance to tell the king. And they never ever realized that the sky never falls also. Okay, so this is the end of the story. I hope you have understood the story. Now we'll do the new words. N-U-T nut. N-U-T nut. O-U-C-H ouch. M-E-T met. I-M. I-L-L. O-F-F off. V-E-R-E were. So we'll say once again. Nut. Ouch. Met. I'm. I'll. Of. We are. Okay, now we'll go to the next page. Now we'll do this exercise. One day, dash a nut on the sky fell on Funny Bunny. What is the correct answer? A nut. What it fell? A nut. What did it fell on Funny Bunny? A nut fell from on the Funny Bunny. Funny Bunny. Funny Bunny wanted to tell dash the king, the cock, the sky what he saw. Whom did he wanted to share this thing? He wanted to tell the king. Whom he wanted to tell? The king. Yes. Now, who said these words in the story? Who said this word in the story? Ouch! The sky is falling down. So, who said this word? Funny Bunny, right? Funny Bunny had told in the starting. So, Funny Bunny. I must tell the king. Again, Funny Bunny said this word. The king lives here. Who said this word? Voxy Foxy. Follow me. Who said this word? Voxy Foxy. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Say aloud. Ouch, pouch, coach. Follow, hollow, swallow. Down, town, frown. Bray, clay, sway. So all these words is just like a rhyming words. We have to read it aloud. Now over here, circle the odd one out. We have to circle the odd one out. BU and bun, SU and sun, FU and fun, GU and gun. Now over here ONE1. This is fully totally odd one out. Because in the last it is what? UN. But over here it is what? Totally different. ONE1. So this is out. BED bed, FED fed, LED led, SAD said, RED read. SAD said is totally odd one. We have to circle on SAD said. HE he, ME me, BEB, TEAT, WEV. So what we circle on TEAT? This is fully odd man out. WAY way, SAW say, HAY hay, PAY pay, THEY they. Now you can see AY and AY. All these are same. Rhyming was only starting what is alphabet is different. W, S, H, P. Over here one full word is only different. THEY they. So this is the odd one out. What is this? This is the odd one out. Now we'll go to the next page. Find the opposites of the given words and make sentences. Find the opposites of the given words and you have to make sentences. Now over here what you can see, this is which meant FAT fat. What is this? FAT fat. Over here you can see thin. So I've written over here thin, THIN thin. Then FAL fall. What is this? FAL fall. Here you can see FAL fall. RISE rise. Over here is RISE rise. START start. START start. So STOP stop. Over here STOP stop. Here you can see stop. COME come. Opposite of come is GO go. Over here you can see it is big. BIG big. SMALL small. Now we'll read the sentences. Fat, thin. We have to make sentences of the opposite which we have written with pencil. So Amit is a thin boy. Who is Amit? Amit is a thin boy. Rise. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. We should stop at red signal. We should stop at red signal. We should stop at red signal. See, thin, so over here thin, rise, rises, stop, stop, go. So I will go to the market. Small. Rita looks like a small doll. So we'll go to the next page now. I hope you understood the opposite. Fat, thin, fall, rise, start, stop, come, go. Big, small. Amit is a thin boy. Amit is a thin boy. The sun rises in the east. We should stop at red signal, right? When there's a signal red, we should stop. We should not drive or go on driving. I will go to market. Rita looks like a small doll. Now fill in the blanks with the correct word. We will read the paragraph and then we'll do fill in the blanks. In the bracket, options are given. Now we'll do this exercise. I read a funny story of a funny rabbit. One day a nut fell it will be on his head. He thought that the sky is or was falling. The sky was falling. So what is the correct answer? Was falling. So he go or went where he went to tell the king. On the way he met different animals. Whom did he meet? Different animals. All of them join or joined, will write joined him. At last they met, meet, so it will be met a clever fox. It took them to a forest and ate it is ate them all up. So we'll read once again. I read a funny story of a funny rabbit. One day a nut fell on his head. He thought that the sky was falling. So he went to tell the king. On the way he met different animals. All of them joined, right? All of them had joined him, no? At last they met a clever fox. It took them to a forest and ate them all up. See, you can see in the end what happened. All the animals were not found, only why the fox, the clever fox, had already made a dinner of them. That is why. Now we'll go to the next page. We'll go. Now what here says, rearrange these words to form sentences. Rearrange these words to form sentences. Here jumbled is given. We have to arrange it in proper order. First one is what? On, funny, bunny, fell, fell, a nut, one day. So a nut fell on funny bunny. One day a nut fell on funny bunny. Then second one, falling down the sky is, said funny bunny. So what is the correct answer? The sky is falling down, said funny bunny. King, I must tell. So I must tell the king. Lives here the king. The king lives here. The king lives here. So again we'll say the sentences which we have arranged in correct form. One day a ant fell on funny bunny. The sky is falling down, said funny bunny. I must tell the king. The king lives here. We'll go to the next page. Now this exercise. Change only one letter of each word and make another rhyming word. What we have to do? We have to change only one word. Example is given and we have to make another rhyming word. F-E-L-L, fell. T-E-L-L, tell. Now children, you can see F is there, right? F is there. What is there? F is there. And over here we have what done? If F is there, so I've written T. Last two words, three words are same only. Only this starting word I have changed. From F I have made it with T, so it becomes tell. So these are the called what? Rhyming words. Now we'll see D, O, W and down. Now D, O, W and down is there. So what I've done? D I have not taken. I have taken T, O, W and town. T, O, W and town. Now M, E, T, met. So M I have not taken. What I have written? N, E, T, net. N, E, T, net. W, A, Y, way. So W I have not written. I have taken S, A, Y, say. S, A, Y, say. K, I, N, G, king. So king I have not taken. Instead I have taken ring. R, I, N, G, ring. Soon. S, O, O, N, soon. So it will become N, O, O, N, noon. S I have not taken. I have written N for it. Then last one is bat. B, A, T, bat. So what I have written over here? R, A, T, rat. B I have not taken. I have taken R of that. So it becomes R, A, T, rat. So we'll do the rhyming words again. Fell, tell. Down, down. Net, met, net. Way, say. King, ring, soon, noon. Hat, bat, cat. Let's do. Look at the picture. Give the names, the right names. What we have to do? Give the animals the right names. We have to give the animals the right name. Who am I? Who am I? Looking at the picture, we have to place the names. Okay. So first we will start. H-E-N, hen. This is a picture of a hen. What is the spelling? H-E-N, hen. This is a picture of a chick. So we'll write C-H-I-C-K, chick. Over is picture of cock. C-O-C-K, cock. This is a picture of duck. So D-U-C-K, duck. It's a picture of a fox. So dog. So D-O-G, dog. What have written? D-O-G, dog. Again we will say hen, chick, cock, duck, dog. So dear children, I hope you have followed the chapter also very well and the exercise also. So please read the chapter properly and do this exercise in your textbook only with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.